welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm glad that you're here. So y'all, guess what? I ordered this box and what is inside of it from Bourgeois. It's been a couple weeks ago now. And I made an unboxing video to show y'all. And then when I went to upload the video, it was not there. The pan is there, but the video's not. So now I can't do an unboxing, but I can show y'all what she sent. Gorgeous. If you have not subscribed to her, I will leave that link in my channel below. Go check her out. Give her some love. She is an amazing talent for sure. But first I want to show y'all the pretty little gift that she sent me. And y'all, she had all of this wrapped up so beautifully. And like I said, it was, I don't remember now exactly how she had it, but she had it wrapped up with this beautiful, beautiful piece of fabric that I cannot wait to use. Oh, it's just, I could not be more happy. She had these pieces of tulle ribbon and piece of tulle wrapped around some things. I so hate that y'all did not get to see it the way that it was when I unwrapped it. But y'all will enjoy this. I know you will. It's still beautiful. But this is a gift. Some happy mail. She sent me some gorgeous lace. Beautiful. I have some of this, but not in this color. So I'm suspecting some dyeing here. And that is beautiful. Ma'am, quit tearing that up. Stop it. My doggy, one of my pups. She made this gorgeous flower. Look at all the pretty. Just so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Love, love, love this fabric. Y'all look at those edges. Love it. And that color, I am just loving the soft pink. I'm folding it up, y'all. That's what I'm doing off camera. I'm folding up the pieces. I've got this soft pink ribbon here. And got, let's see, come to the middle here. Here we go. Nope. Okay. I think that, and like I said, I don't know if this was dyed. A lot of it appears to be, and it is just the perfect shade of pale pink. I am loving it. Something that I did want to mention real quick while I'm showing y'all this is that y'all know that I did the giveaway announcement almost a week ago now, and I've yet to hear from the person that won, and I gave them a week, you know, to get back to me. So if by Friday, that's 2 days from now, it may not be 2 days from the time you're seeing this. Depends on if I can get this uploaded today. It might have to be tomorrow. I will have to do another drawing. I just love the soft pink. Look at that. Y'all know I'm a texture kind of girl, and this has a lot of it. So pretty. Lord, thank you for all of this gorgeousness. I love it. And you know me, and you know it's going to be used for sure. I am definitely lace girl. Okay. Let's dive into the goodie that I purchased from Laura. Okay, first, this is a frame box. And y'all will see a little bit more of that when I open it. But I did want to show y'all here on the outside. It's distressed white. She has the cutest little feet on it. Ma'am, do you want to be in the video? Mwah. She made this flower. I just love it. So pretty. We've got a bunch of collaging going on here, stenciling. It looks like some, I can't think of the word of it. The brain. Anyway, let's look at this real quick. We got an aged key here, key and pearl dangle. Got a pretty embossed, and there we go. We got this pretty frame, which is part of the box, but then she has it done with lace and cheesecloth. Anyway, this looks like embossing here. Distressed embossing. I'm not 100% certain. We got a frame around a cute little girl, and I just love this lock with a little gem right there. You want to see too? You want to see? Do you see it? Do you see it? Yeah. But y'all see it's a little keepsake frame box. Y'all, she had this so much prettier than what y'all see now. The way that she had this doily wrapped around here, which I love. Okay. And isn't that precious, y'all? I just love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Do you love it too, Maisie? Do you love it? You do. That's so sweet. Sorry, y'all. Losing my voice. I had an hour and 20-minute lecture this morning, which isn't bad, but after yesterday's 4-hour, my throat's a little tired. Okay, so love, 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 love the doily. Love how she used that as packaging. Mwah. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. And she's made a bunch of like pockets and envelopes like things here, and they're just gorgeous. And Laura, I do need to know the paper that you use, because I don't know, just I love the feeling of this paper that she used. For one, it's extremely thick, very, very durable. These will last a long time, but also it just has this feel that I can't quite describe. But y'all see she has this trim. Cute little ties up there with those. I mean with lace and tulle. And then look at the inside. She made the inside just so cute. But here we've got a tag. And then she embossed. No ma'am, these are not for you. She embossed all of these little dresses. I'm going to put you down if you try to bite them. All right, that's it. Down, ma'am. This one has a little bit of glitter on it. I just love these. Love them. Love them. Love them. Y'all, I've been so good about not buying over like the past 8 months or so. I've really restrained myself. I bought one gorgeous journal from a friend of mine, from Tammy of Embellish a Story, last fall. I just had to have. I'm one of her biggest fans, and it was so Tammy. I had to have it. I bought that, and then this has been the first thing since then that I have bought for myself, you know, in this craft-wise, you know, but I've been trying to pay off bills, so try not to, but I saw this, I'm like, Laura, please, is it still there? Do you still have it? Must have. And I couldn't be happier. She made an envelope out of this. Y'all see the wax seal with a little bit of gold on the resin parts of it. And then we've got I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but even the edges of this envelope have the slightest bit of gold around it. And I love how she did that. And we've got some stamping here as well. I love it. Got a frame. So cute, so cute. More embossing, lace and cheesecloth, little bow. Okay, how cute is that? The little tie. It's adorable. Okay. I love the little emboss frame there that she put on these postcards. Just gorgeous, Laura. Gorgeous. And y'all, the reason why everything was so still intact for me to make this video again and almost exactly like it was when she sent it was because I try to put things back, you know, that are just really, that really hit me with, you know, all the yumminess. I try to put them back almost at least as close to like they were when I got them, because I will spend some time looking through this again and probably again and again before I use anything. These I doubt I will ever use. Just being honest here. This is stuff that's just tugging at my heart, and it makes me so happy to look at. I'm sure that I will put some of them or put it on display in some manner at some point. But right now I'm keeping it like it is so that I can go through it just like I am as many times as it makes me happy to do that. So that's why it's almost exactly like it was when I received it. I haven't taken it apart even to display it because I want to unwrap it again. Get the happy of unwrapping it again, if that makes sense. So pretty. I just love that frame and the way that it feels. Okay. I wish that y'all could see this paper and the way that she did it. And see, I've forgotten the word again. Little frame and a little girl. And y'all, we've got, I don't know if y'all can see, but we have embroidery here. Sewing and then embroidery. And in the back is almost as pretty as the front. And then in here, got like a little piece of parchment paper. And it's not parchment, but the feeling is not regular paper. And I can't quite put my finger on it. Hey Stevie, you've never been in a video of Mommy's. Are you jealous? Are you jealous of your sister? Is she making you mad? What you doing? You being a sheep boy, a good boy. That's just so pretty. I know y'all, I'm moving slow because I'm, you know, I'm all into it too. I'm showing y'all, but I'm looking again. We've got more of that embroidery stitching here. We've got some, I'm so sorry y'all, the brain is just blank. You know, the raised lettering, and I know it's not the word for it, y'all, please excuse me. I could not love this more. Love it. Oh yeah, this embossing. And this also a form of embossing. I love the way that she did the envelopes here. still just so pretty. Got a little bit of sheen on it, along with a little bit of matte. A little check. Postcard. Another postcard. And another postcard. Here's another envelope pocket, and y'all look at the pretty little dangle. It's so pretty. Sweet little bow. Got more embossing here. Little girl. One of those flowers that she sent. So pretty. So pretty. An embossed, dollied up postcard. I love it. Just love it. Okay, last piece. We've got a pocket envelope here with more embossing, more of the, I just love that. That's just so pretty. So pretty. And in here, a tag with more sewing. Got some lace, more applique, and it's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful presentation, don't y'all think? I think, you know, just the way that it was set up. The work that she did, the art, but also the presentation of it. She just did such a wonderful job. I am loving it, and I will treasure all of this. Let me tie that back up. Come together now. There we go. All right, everyone. That is it. Like I said, I will leave her. Isn't that just the prettiest? That is so pretty. I will leave her information down in the description. And y'all go check her out. And thank y'all for watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye.